Well, if you're looking for that perfect smile but want an alternative to metal braces, our next guests have some amazing technology that can help you.
That's right. Welcome this morning, Dr. Sam Burrow and Dr. Britney Welchel with Burrow and Welchel Orthodontics. Good morning to both of you.
Yes.
Thank you for being here today. Good to see you and your pretty teeth.
There you go.
So we are used to seeing teenagers, preteens with their metal braces, traditional metal braces, but people are looking for some alternatives now, correct? And you can provide them.
Absolutely. You know, today's society, we're such a cosmetically conscious society, so having clear aligners as an option instead of metal braces or wires is great to create that beautiful smile.
That's something that's great for adults who want something that not so noticeable.
Exactly.
Correct?
Yeah, why is Invisalign and all that stuff gaining so much popularity?
There's just so many different options for clear aligners in today's society. Invisalign's the one that most people recognize, just that name brand. We used a couple different brands. They all essentially do the same thing, though. Each aligner has a little bit of built-in tooth movement in it, but they're so great because you're able to remove the aligners. So you don't have to worry about dietary restrictions. You can eat all the popcorn, all the gum, all the sticky, chewy things that you want. And hygiene, taking it out to brush your teeth is so much better than having to navigate around the braces.
And they work just as well as traditional braces, right? They still straighten the teeth without the brackets and all of that. All right. We've got some pictures before and after of patients that you've worked with using these techniques. Why don't you talk about that?
Yeah, so as the technology has advanced for the last few years, it's advanced so much, and as our knowledge as orthodontists about the system has progressed, we're able to treat more and more complex cases, whereas in the days past, we may have not been able to treat them with clear aligners, but now we are.
You're a platinum provider of Invisalign. What exactly does that mean, and why is that important?
That means we've treated hundreds of patients with Invisalign, which is something we're really proud of. As I was saying, as time progresses and as the technology progresses, we can treat more and more complex cases and really help correct bite, not only just straightening the teeth, it's really about the bite as well.
And also you provide for 3M Clarity. What is that? I've never heard of
So 3M Clarity aligners, again, it's a different brand of aligners. It's offered exclusively to orthodontists, though, but we were the first in North and South Carolina to have access to the technology.
You mentioned the bite. These correct the bite as well. I know my kids just went through braces, so I know all about the bite and getting that just right. Talk about the steps involved in getting aligners.
We'll show you.
Process pleasant? Is it okay?
We're actually going to show you right here in the studio. So we have our scanner here, and this takes away from all the nasty impressions that you might have heard about before.
I used to get those. They put
they make
that pink stuff. Oh, it's terrible.
Yeah, so this scanner and our TC Valerie here, our treatment coordinator, is actually scanning Britney right now, and these are Britney's live teeth as we see them come on. So in real time, we can get your teeth how they are, and we get this 3D replication of your teeth, and then once you're done, which only takes about 2 to 3 minutes to get the whole arch, when you're done there, we can take that, put it in any direction, show you where your malalignment is, we can tell you how we're going to correct it, and we can even press a button that straightens all the teeth and shows you what you look like with straight teeth that first day you come in.
Really?
So that's a really cool application. See, we're almost already done with the full bottom arch. So
it's in real time, so these are her teeth right now.
These are Dr. Britney's real teeth right here. And then this simply, what we do from here is us as the doctors, we prescribe how we want to move the teeth. We tell Invisalign what's going on, move them here, do this. Goes off to Invisalign, they make the trays, they send them back to us, you come in for your appointment, and you're off to your pretty smile.
So you just do the lowers first, and then you do the uppers to get the what's so you don't confuse it?
Yep, you do the lowers, then you do the uppers, then you do the bite, so they get everything that they need to know, and then we send them the instructions about how to straighten them. They send us the trays, and you're on your way.
That is very cool.
Yeah.
Not only do you avoid those unpleasant impressions that we used to have to get, but what are the other patient benefits? I mean, it's quicker, right?
It's quicker, and you have less, if you're one of those people that don't want to miss work, don't want to miss school, you don't have to come to the office as much. So, traditionally, with your first visit, it's only about 4 or 5 times you have to come to the office. So if you're trying to save time and it's just a convenience thing, you can come in here, we give you your trays, you're off on your way, and that being said, we do have an open door policy, so if you do need us, you can have us anytime. You have our phone number, you even have the doctor's cell phone number, so we're always available.
Isn't that nice? And speaking of convenience, you've got offices in different locations to make it easy for your patients.
We do, yep. So we have a brand new one in Rock Hill that we're serving down there, and we have our one on Randolph Road in Charlotte, and so we're welcome all.
All right, now's the time. If you want your dream smile, this is the time to do it. Tell us about the special offer you have.
So for our grand opening in Rock Hill, we're doing a $500 off complete treatment with Invisalign or braces, plus a $350 Invisalign scan. So $850 value, completely no obligation, completely free. And we're going to extend that to our Charlotte locations too, if you mention Charlotte today or go to SmileCharlotte.com.
Very good, right? So to book an appointment or to learn more, visit SmileMoreCharlotte.com or call the number that is on your screen right now. You can call that. You get that special offer. That is huge savings. Now is the time to get the smile that you have always dreamed of. Thank you so much.
Thank you
for being here today. Great to see it. That's like from the future or something.
I know,
That's pretty cool. Very cool. It's very cool.